Positive mindset, successful weight loss journey. Guide us today, Janet.
Janet here of the Obesity Prevention Center. Positive mindset, cultivating positivity for your weight loss meal prep journey. When starting a weight loss journey, having a positive mindset can make a big difference in your level of success with meal prepping and achieving your goals. This article explores practical strategies for cultivating positivity, including using affirmations, visualization techniques, building resilience when facing challenges, surrounding yourself with encouragement, practicing mindful eating, and enjoying the journey. Embracing these methods will empower you to stick to your meal prep routine and lose weight with a sense of fulfillment. Harness the power of positivity through affirmations. Using positive affirmations can help reprogram your thinking patterns to believe you can successfully lose weight through meal prep. Affirmations are statements you repeat to yourself daily to reinforce empowering beliefs. They help cement positive thoughts into your consciousness, so your mind turns them into reality. Take a few minutes each morning and evening to repeat uplifting mantras like, "I have the power to take control of my eating habits." Come up with affirmations that resonate with you personally for optimal effectiveness. Write them down in a journal or tape them to your mirror as reminders. Science indicates affirmations utilize the brain's neuroplasticity to actually change thought processes over time. When we consistently think positive thoughts, our neural pathways adapt to reflect that optimistic outlook. Affirmations also tap into the power of self-fulfilling prophecies. When you believe something strongly enough, you tend to take actions aligned with that belief, which create real results matching your expectations. Other examples of positive affirmations to support your weight loss meal prep journey include, "I am dedicated to my health goals each and every day." "I have the willpower and determination to succeed." "I make progress toward my goals each day through my actions." "My meal prep helps me stay on track to achieve my dreams." "I have what it takes mentally and physically to transform my body." Come up with your own personalized affirmations too. Repeat them aloud or write them down regularly. By cementing affirmations into your consciousness, you direct your mind to make them a reality. Harness this simple yet powerful strategy to program your brain for weight loss achievement. Weight loss. Envision your success by setting goals. Setting specific yet realistic weight loss goals gives your mind tangible targets to work towards. Having defined objectives that you can measure helps focus your efforts. Combine goal setting with visualization by spending time each day picturing yourself achieving your aims. For example, imagine how incredible you'll feel at your goal weight while prepping healthy meals. Envision the confidence, pride, and satisfaction of accomplishing your targets. See yourself making steady progress by sticking to your meal prep routine week after week. Picture the number on the scale going down as you slim down. Neuroscience research shows visualization activates the same brain regions that would light up if you were actually experiencing the event. So by vividly picturing yourself accomplishing your goals, your mind believes it is real and can now turn that vision into reality. Visualization also boosts motivation by letting you experience the positive feelings of achieving targets in advance. Here are some tips for incorporating visualization sessions into your routine. Set aside 5 to 10 minutes daily to sit quietly and visualize. Enhance concentration by deep breathing. Imagine your desired future in as much detail as possible. The more sensory elements, the better. If you catch your mind wandering, gently refocus your imagination. Visualize yourself overcoming obstacles between now and your goals. Picture finding solutions. Smile and feel positive emotions like joy, confidence, pride. This infuses visuals with feelings. Regular visualization keeps your weight loss aims top of mind. Seeing your future success repeatedly programs your subconscious to make it happen through the amazing power of your mind and thoughts. Build resilience to bounce back from setbacks. Experiencing setbacks like skipping meal prep or overeating unhealthy foods is common when trying to lose weight. You might face moments of frustration, exhaustion, or lapses in willpower. But by building resilience, you can bounce back quickly from these stumbles while maintaining a positive outlook. Developing mental toughness allows you to accept challenges as learning experiences for growth rather than failures. Reflect on what caused the setback and make a plan to avoid that trigger next time. For instance, if you ate unhealthily because of a stressful workday, brainstorm ways to manage stress better, like taking a walk or calling a friend. If you skipped meal prep because you ran out of time, look at restructuring your schedule to free up preparation windows. When you stumble, also focus on the big picture of your overarching health goals rather than isolating the slip-up. Consider all the times you did stick to your commitments. Look back with pride on the progress you've already made. Talk to supportive friends and family who will build you back up and inspire you to get back on track. Staying positive when you encounter bumps in the road takes mental strength. But by developing resilience, you'll gain the ability to quickly rebound and renew your motivation. you'll come out stronger than ever, empowered to achieve your weight loss goals. Create an encouraging environment for positivity. Having the encouragement and accountability from others fosters positivity that ignites success in your weight loss journey. Supportive people help inspire you when motivation wavers. They offer valuable perspectives and advice when challenges arise. Building a network of positivity will empower your willpower. Identify friends and family members who genuinely champion your goals. Seek out positive people who boost your mindset and want to see you succeed. Their energy and enthusiasm is contagious. Open up to them about your journey and ask them to cheer you on towards your aims. Join in-person or online communities of people pursuing similar weight loss or healthy living objectives. Connecting with those experiencing the same journey provides camaraderie, accountability, and inspiration. You can share tips, advice, and encouragement with folks who truly understand the struggle. On the flip side, try limiting time and interactions with people who exude negativity or undermine your progress. This could be friends who try persuading you to ditch your meal prep or frequently criticize your eating choices. If certain relationships are more harmful than helpful, minimizing contact removes their dampening effect on your positivity. Ask your support network to actively help keep you accountable. Have them check in on your meal prepping progress, nutrition choices, and how you're feeling. When you give others permission to hold you responsible, you create another layer of motivation. Finally, follow positive social media influencers in the weight loss, nutrition, and wellness space. Seeing their uplifting content in your feed nurtures inspiration. Surround yourself with their advice and stories of overcoming struggles on your same journey. By spending more time around encouraging, like-minded people, you'll feel empowered to stick to your wellness goals. Their positivity will lift you up on the days when your own motivation wavers. Foster community and accountability for self-improvement success. Practice mindfulness for more mindful eating. Adopting mindful eating practices helps cultivate positivity around your weight loss meal prep. Mindful eating means slowing down to fully savor and appreciate every bite. It encourages listening to your body's natural signals of hunger and fullness rather than eating mindlessly. Here are some valuable mindful eating tips. Slow down purposefully while eating. Chew every bite thoroughly, focusing your senses on the textures, flavors, and aromas. Tune into your body's signals of fullness and hunger. Stop eating when you feel satisfied, not overly stuffed. Devote your full attention to your food. Minimize distractions like TV or work. Make meals mindful rituals. Savor every ingredient in your thoughtfully prepared meal prep recipes. Appreciate all the nutritious components. Eat slowly without distractions or stress. Those situations impair your ability to focus. By cultivating mindfulness in your life beyond just meal times, you further develop awareness of your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Daily meditation, yoga, journaling, or time in nature promotes mindfulness. Implementing these practices empowers you to catch negative thought patterns before they spiral and make conscious choices aligned with your wellness goals. Mindful eating supports your weight loss progress with positivity instead of restriction. When you savor meals with all your senses, food becomes a fulfilling gift to nourish your body, not a chore. This outlook will make your meal prepping feel more rewarding. Enjoy the journey as you progress towards health. Stay positive knowing that small steps forward each day will lead you towards your bigger health and weight loss goals. Focus on progress, not perfection. There will be challenges on your journey, but also breakthrough moments that bring you closer to your aims. Implement the strategies in this article to nurture your positive mindset daily. Positivity provides power to guide you on a fulfilling path. When you stumble, reflect on lessons learned, and then look ahead with optimism. Surround yourself with encouragement and inspiration from people who want the best for you. Keep envisioning that you are capable of achieving your dreams. By regularly practicing affirmations, visualization, mindfulness, resilience, and self-care, you empower yourself to create lasting lifestyle changes. Your mindset has the incredible ability to turn thoughts into reality. Let positivity lift you towards a healthy, happy future. You've got this.
That was an awesome topic there, Janet. To all our viewers, thank you for being with me and Janet. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Our newsletter is also packed with special offers and exclusive content directly to your inbox. See you next time.